In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can connect MT5 with XM360. First things first, you want to head over to your browser and search for XM-MT5. We will then be navigated to the official website of XM, and from here you want to click on the PC button. If you're using a mobile device, you could simply click on the application or scan this QR codes. Simply right after getting the application, we are now inside the MetaTrader 5. In here, it's as simple as clicking on the file icon, click on open an account, and then you want to look for your company. In our case, it's going to be XM. Simply find it right here. In my case, it's going to be the XM Global. Click on the next button, and then you want to enter your trading account credentials. It's going to be the login credential. You have your password, and then you have your XM server. Click on finish, and then you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.